Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your TP-Link router firmware via Tether app step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your TP-Link router is powered on and connected to the internet. Download and install the Tether app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Tether app on your mobile device. Log into your TP-Link account, or create a new one if you don't have it. Once logged in, the app will automatically detect your TP-Link router. Tap on the router's name or icon to access its settings. Navigate to the More section, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the More menu, select Firmware Update. The app will check for available firmware updates. If an update is available, tap on Update Now. Review any important notes about the update, then confirm you want to proceed. The app will start downloading the firmware. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically reboot the router. After rebooting, the router will apply the update. Monitor the progress on your screen as the update is installed. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification in the app. Verify that your router is operating normally after the update. If there are any issues, you can consult the app's troubleshooting section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.